Welcome back! Today we're making the perfect packed lunch. We'll start by placing a cup of rinsed short grain rice into a rice cooker or stovetop. We'll cover that with a cup of water and set the cooker to on and set aside while we prepare the rest of the meal. Next we'll whip up a simple bang bang sauce by combining 1 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2/3 a cup of Thai sweet chili sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sriracha. If you like yours extra hot, you can replace the sriracha with 2 tablespoons of gochujang instead. Once that's all whisked up, we'll cover and refrigerate. Start prepping our veggies by removing the ends of 4 small cucumbers. Then we'll slice those into thin layers. Don't worry if the layers aren't all the same thickness, it'll give our veggies some nice texture. Then we'll cut those layers into thin strips and cut one more time into matchstick sized pieces. We'll put those back into the mixing bowl and add about 2 cups of julienne carrots. Season that with 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. I wouldn't recommend using salt as it'll pull a lot of the water from the cucumber and make our vegetables less crunchy. We'll toss that up until everything is coated, then we'll set it aside. Once the rice is done, we'll remove that to a mixing bowl and let rest until cool enough to touch. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of Japanese rice seasoning, otherwise known as furikake. I decided I wanted mine to be stronger, so I ended up using 2 tablespoons, but season this to your tastes. We'll mix that, then we'll add about a half a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil and mix it one more time until all the rice is seasoned. Once that's good and combined, set it aside for now. Finally, we'll arrange Midamar's Halal chicken nuggets in a single layer in an air fryer. Set that to 375 degrees and cook for 7 to 8 minutes, flipping once halfway through. Now that our nuggets are good and browned, we'll remove them to a mixing bowl and top with our bang bang sauce. I ended up using about 1 cup of sauce and saving the rest for topping later. I was preparing this for my work lunch, so I served this in a bento, but this could be a quick and easy dinner too. I layered in the rice, topped with 4 nuggets, then filled the remaining space with veggies. This was awesome, easily one of my favorites of all time. The breading on the nuggets stayed slightly crisp with a sweet, spicy sauce. The rice added some nice umami, and the veggies brought a refreshing crispiness to this dish. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week with another awesome halal recipe.